Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a beautiful rope clamp, M5 rope clamp. We will design each and every part and assemble at the end of this video. So I hope you will enjoy. So keep watching and let's see how to do in Solidworks. Now here let's make the first part of our rope clamp, bracket M5. So let's start. Choose front plane, sketch. Now here we want to create a bracket, so first we will make the path. Choose a line and start from origin point. Just draw a vertical line. Just come back to this point and it will be automatically converted into a circle or arc. Now just draw a half circle, click and go down and up to origin point. The level should be origin point, exit. Now this is our geometry. Let's define it. 11 mm this radius, actually 11 by default. Now the height, make 9.5 mm. Now we will change it and make the height only 4 mm. Okay, this is what our requirement. Now just exit and select top plane. Top plane, sketch, circle and draw a circle. Just make sure it is from origin point and keep the diameter 4 mm. Okay, now simply exit and go to feature tools and select sweep boss base tool. Now the profile is selected. Just select this path, see the preview, select OK. Now just go select the part and go to appearance and scene, and here we will select material. Go to metal, choose polished steel, see. OK. Now select this back surface or you can select top plane, is up to you. Sketch, normal, and here draw two circles. And select the diameter 5 mm. Okay. Now it's time to extrude it. Extrude this body and extrude up to 12 mm downward direction. See. Make sure merge result. Okay. Now see, we will make some chamfer. Select this one edge and this. Okay. That's it. Let's select chamfer. Keep chamfer 0.5 mm and select both the end faces. Okay. Now here we want to create some thread. So first we will make a path for thread. So select this face, sketch and convert. Now see, this circle is already converted. Now let's make the path. So just go to curves, choose here helix and spiral. See, this is the, here first select pitch and revolution constant, and number of pitch we will select 0.8 mm. Okay, this reverse direction, revolution 15.5 is sufficient, 0 degree clockwise, and this is unchecked because it is straight, not taper. Select OK. Now here select right plane, sketch, normal. I think we selected the exit, select front plane, sketch, normal. Now here we want to create a triangle, so choose triangle, okay, and draw one center line. Just connect from this point to this midpoint of line. First select this construction line and make relation. Now select these three lines and make relation symmetric. That's it. Now let's define first. Keep the degree 60-degree angle and select this length .655 mm. That's it. Okay. Now select this path. Select this point and this path and make one relation pierce. Now this path is pierced with this profile. Just simply select exit, go to feature and select sweep cut. See here the profile selected, just choose the path. Now it is already calculated. Okay. Now this is our threads. This is rope clamp or a bracket M5 bracket thread. Now we want to either we will make mirror or do one thing linear pattern. So first we will make a path. So select sketch, draw a center line from this point to this midpoint. Just find out. Okay. Exit. Now just simply select exit. Now go to feature and select linear pattern. Here select this as a pattern. Distance is 11 mm. Keep 12 numbers and go to this, drop down this menu and select here sweep cut. See, it's going to mirror here or make a pattern. Okay. It may takes time. Now you can hide this line. See, this is the M5 bracket is ready. This is rope clamp bracket. There is a little 0.05 mm. We want to make, select this edge and select this bottom edge. And we want to select this inside edge also. Select OK. This is the corner radius. Close it and do one thing, delete any one. Now select OK. And let's see if possible, otherwise we have to do one. Now that's it. Now select same here also 0.05. Select 1 and 2 edges. Select OK. Now it's finished. See, so this is the M5 bracket for rope clamp. Let's save it. Go to desktop, create a new folder, rope clamp. Click on rope clamp and this is our first part, bracket M5. This is M5 bracket. Now let's see the next part. Let's make the next part of rope clamp, block M5. choose right plane, front plane, sketch, select here line, first select center line and draw one vertical line from origin point. Now let's draw a line, make a polygon shape. Okay, now select the origin point and this bottom line and make one relation midpoint. Now select these three lines and make relation symmetric. That's it. Now let's define 13 mm upward and upward length 12 mm, downward 13, and select the distance 10 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 10 mm but make mid plane. Okay, now select right plane, sketch normal, and here also we want to trim. So first draw a vertical line. Okay, now select line, okay, now select these three lines, mirror about this center line. Okay, now select distance and define the gap 9 mm. That's it. Now select extruded cut and keep here mid plane, and or select better through all both, so it will cut in both the direction. Okay, now see, it's become a tapered shape body. Now we want to create some plane. Select right plane, go to reference geometry, choose plane, and here select this center point. See, now this plane going to create. Okay, now select the same plane, sketch normal, and here we want to create a geometry. Select line, draw a vertical line, and here exit. Now let's define the gap. .5 mm. Okay, now select this outer line and this line and make a relation parallel. Okay, select revolve boss base. Select this line as a axis. Here you can make 180-degree reverse direction. Select OK. Now hide the plane. Select right plane, mirror, and select this extruded part. Okay, see, now choose top plane, or you can directly select bottom also. Sketch normal, first do one thing, draw center lines. Select both the center point of circle and line and make relation here symmetric. Now define the gap. Keep the mid distance 11 mm and the diameter 6 mm. Okay, and extrude it and select here through all. Reverse direction. Okay, see the hole is created. This is the for M5 bracket. Now select front plane, sketch, normal, and here we want to create some cutouts. Let's draw a vertical line first. Select a line, connect this end to this end. Now select these three lines, mirror, and choose center line as a mid line. Okay, now it is mirror. Just define this. Okay, by default it's 12 mm. Now choose here ellipse. Select this point up to here and draw a long. Now let's define this gap. Keep 6 mm, and the distance from origin point, bottom distance 4 mm. The same as here, 3 mm. Now the design is fully defined. See, select extruded cut and keep here through all both direction. Okay, now this is the M5 bracket. Let's define the material, polished steel. So make fillet, select this face, select bottom face. I think this is extra. Okay, again choose fillet, 0.1 mm. I think this one not accepting, so do one thing, just select edges, delete. Okay, now again choose fillet and just look out where exactly the balance parts, not face, just select edge. Okay, clear those dimensions. I think no need, everything is already defined. Now let's save it. Part number 2, block for M5. Let's make the nut and washer. Now the next part is spring. So let's start. Spring washer, front plane, sketch, and draw a circle here and keep the diameter 6.5 mm. Now actually we want to create a spring washer, so first we have to create a path. So choose helix and spiral. See here, select pitch and revolution, constant pitch, and pitch keep 1.19 mm, and it should be reverse direction. Okay, 0.99 revolution, 45 degree clockwise, and it is straight, not taper. Okay, now here we want to create one plane, so select this point, go to reference geometry, select plane. Now direct select this path, so see it is perpendicular to this point. Okay, now select this plane, sketch, normal, and select center rectangle and draw one rectangle here, and let's define, keep 1.4 mm the width and height. Okay, now select the center point of rectangle and select this path and make relation pierce. Okay, now see it is pierced here. Just exit and now you can see it here. Go to feature tools and select sweep boss base. Now here profile selected, just select the path. See, that's it. Okay, select fillet, keep 0.1 mm, select this face and select opposite face. Okay, again choose fillet, select these two edges. Okay, okay, now just hide this plane. Now this is our spring washer. So let's define the material. Just go to steel, satin finish stainless steel. That's it. Now save this part number 3, spring washer. Let's see the next part. Now here let's make the last part of rope clamp nut. So let's start M5 nut. So choose top plane, sketch and draw a vertical center line. Okay, select a line, connect it, exit, select one line and connect with this midpoint, exit. Now select this line and make relation vertical. Now this in center. Now let's define. The center distance 4.13 mm. The same from this distance 7.2 mm. Select the outer line 8.8 mm. Okay. Now choose the degree, keep 30 degree, the same as here, 30 degree. Okay. Now select this both the points and make relation vertical. Okay. Now we can see it here. And define this overall length 4 mm. Now our geometry is fully defined. So just select revolve boss base and select this point as a axis. Okay. Now see, we will define some finish. See, polished steel. Now let's select front plane, sketch normal and draw a polygon. So select polygon, keep 6 number of polygons. Exit, select one line, vertical line, make relation vertical. Let's assign the dimension, keep 8 mm. Okay, and select extruded cut. Select here through all both direction, select here flip side to cut and select here reverse direction. so it will cut all outside portion. Okay, see, now choose chamfer, select 0.5 and keep 30°. Select this inside edge. Okay, now see, now select this face. We want to create some thread inside thread, so let's select this face, sketch, normal, and select this outer mid circle line and just convert it. Now we want to create some path for thread. Choose helix and spiral, keep here pitch and revolution constant pitch, and pitch here 0.8, this one. Okay, we need reverse, and number of revolution 6 is enough, and 0° clockwise. Select OK. Now that's it. So this is our now let's define the profile. Now select top plane, sketch, normal. Here we will create the path for thread, so choose a line and draw a rectangle. Select center line, connect from here to this midpoint of this line, and select this construction line and make relation vertical. Let's define the angle. Keep 60°. Okay. Now select these 3 lines, make relation symmetric. 0.6 mm. Okay. Now select this corner point and select this path and make relation pierce. See, it is pierced here. Now exit. Now select sweep cut. Now profile is selected, just select the path. Select OK. See, the threads already cut inside, and let's define the, select this one edge, second edge. Okay. Now this is our nut with thread. Now save this nut. Rope clamp, save as part number 4, nut M5. Now let's start the assembly of rope clamp. Let's make the assembly of rope clamp M5. Select new assembly. Okay. And this is the window of Solidworks assembly. Let's make our first part. So we prefer block. By default, this part will be fixed. It will not rotate with any axis. See. Now we will insert the another all component, bracket and spring. That's it. Now let's define. Go to mat and select first this circular face and this inside circular face and make relation concentric. Okay. The same as here, select is inside face and this face, concentric. Okay, just move it down. We will do one thing, just rotate our spring. Okay, choose mat, select this inside face and this inside face. It is asking for tangent, cancel it. Select this part, select this circular face, click show. Now select this circular face, mat, and select inside face, concentric relation. Okay, select this face and select this center face, concentric, coincident. Okay, now the same as we have to do for, just press Control key, select this part and browse one more part. Now let's select inside circular face, mat, and select this circular face, concentric. Okay, bottom face and the midpoint, coincident. Now hide, you can hide this, cancel. You can hide this, see. Now just insert nut. Rotate the nut. Okay, select inside circular face and select this face, concentric relation. Okay, select this face and the center point of this face, coincident. See that. Now press Control key and copy one more part. Now again we will try the same. We will select inside face, mat, and this upper circular face, mat, concentric mat. Select this face and we will prefer the midpoint, coincident. Now it is fixed. Now select this face and this face. Select here distance. We will keep the distance 1.2 mm. Okay. Okay. Now this is the our pole. Rope clamp is ready. Rope will be fixed. Two rope will be fixed inside and it will lock with the help of these two nuts. And spring will be created the force, back force, to make sure it is perfectly tight. So this is the our main assembly of rope clamp. Just save it. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks, and don't forget to share and like our video. Thanks for watching.